Alright guys, in this video I'm just going to do a quick cutting of the pineapple here that you see, and hopefully it'll be good. Again, there's no such thing as the best way to do anything in my opinion, but you do what you can. It looks like this one's gone. Ooh, does not look that good. Gonna have to have a plastic bag or whatever you can find to get rid of the bits and pieces that you're done with. And it's got some brownage in there. Uh-oh. Not good, not good. Alright, note to self, prepare your bag before you start the video.